In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header on Squarespace. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. From there, head over to your main home dashboard. This is the screen where you can see all your websites and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Website and click it. This will open the back end for the specific site you want to edit. Next, you'll see an option to edit your site. Click on Edit. This switches you into the visual editor, where you can work directly on your pages and see changes in real time. Move your mouse toward the top of the page until you see the site header area highlight, and then click on Edit Site Header. This is how you access all the controls for your header design. A small panel will appear. In that panel, click on Edit Design. This opens the main design settings specifically for your header. You'll land on the Design tab, and the first section you'll see is called Layout. Open the Layout dropdown, and you'll see several header layout options, such as logo on the left with navigation on the right, centered logo, or stacked layouts. Click on the header layout that best matches the style you want for your site. Just below that, you'll see a section for spacing. Use the link spacing slider to control how far apart your navigation links appear from each other. Drag it left for tighter spacing or right for more breathing room. After that, adjust the element spacing. This controls the space between different parts of the header, like the logo, navigation, and any buttons. Small adjustments here can really improve readability and overall balance. The next section is Effects. Here you can turn on or off things like a drop shadow or a border, and you can choose whether the header has a fixed position. A fixed header stays visible at the top of the screen as visitors scroll, which is great for usability. Below that, you'll find Size. Use the height slider to make the header taller or more compact. Then choose the width setting, either full width, which stretches edge to edge, or inset, which keeps the header content aligned with the main page content. Finally, click on the Color tab. Open the dropdown, which might be set to adaptive by default, and choose whether you want your header background to be adaptive, gradient, or solid. Pick the option that fits your brand and your site's overall style, and you're done configuring your Squarespace header.